Okay, Caloosahatchee coming up on the right. This is an audio test. This is an audio test at about 55 miles an hour. Caloosahatchee coming up on the right. Let's see, there's the launching ramp. There's a few boats out today. Oh, the river looks beautiful. It'll be nice. There goes a boat. I love boats. Very much nice to go out on the water, especially on a beautiful day like today. Water's very calm. This is an audio test. This is an audio test. 55 miles an hour going over the bridge. You can hear tire noise. You can hear wind noise. Whether you can hear me or not, I don't know about that. Look at the ripples down on the water. They're looking pretty nice. I'm filming without the phone. This little pocket camera is really nice to have without the phone attached. Makes it really handy. So, what a baby little camera. This little camera is just a baby. What a small unit. There's the beautiful houses over there on the banks of the Caloosahatchee. And there you have it, guys. The Caloosahatchee.